What's our Explains Planet vlog, and today video is going to be a tour of the fruit and vegetable plants I have. So here we go. Let's get started. So here's my red navel orange tree. It's a year and a half I had it, and it's grown a lot since then. Got last March 2019, and it's grown a lot. And then let's go all the way over here where the rest of them are. Here's one of the bananas. It's put out two more leaves and two little banana pups right there in the last 2 weeks. There's no leaf right there coming out. This one will fruit in the next year. There's another banana over here that's putting out its second leaf right here. That'll be out by this weekend. Look great. Over here we have the amazing peach tree that is growing like crazy. Look at this thing. It's 10 feet tall now. Look at all this growth. It's grown 3 feet this season so far, and it's not slowing down. Look at this thing. It's crazy. This will be getting a repot this winter. But yeah, it's really tall. This is how high I can reach, and look how high it goes. A lot of peaches are expected next year. All right, time to go to the vegetable garden. So let's go around. It's on the other side of the fence. The vegetable garden's all the way over here. Oh, there's some mint right here, guys. There's mint. We gotta go all the way back around here. This is the pecan tree. Pecan tree. Look at the pecans. Pecans everywhere. Pecan tree. So yeah, those are pecans right there. And they'll be ready in October. Yes, the big pecan tree. And here it is, the vegetable garden. It's a really mess right now, but there's a lot of plants in it. So here we go, one by one. This is a basil plant. It's overgrown and needs to be pruned really badly. It's ridiculous. Oh my gosh. This is a jalapeno plant, and it has a lot of jalapenos on it. Yeah, I don't see any more right now. There's some right there. Jalapeno. This is a mystery pepper right here. These peppers, I grew them from a store seed peppers. So we don't know what this is going to turn into, but we're going to see when this flowers and fruits. All right, time to get into the bulk of this mess right here. So, this is a mess. Here's another basil plant. It's different types of Thai basil. All right, so this is the watermelon plant. All these leaves you see here is the watermelon plant. And here's the watermelon itself. It's really big now. It's 15 pounds. It's pretty beefy. It's still growing too. It's going to be right probably by next month. And this plant just taking over everything. This is the watermelon plant, what you're seeing right here. There's another watermelon right here. But yeah, this is ridiculous. There's flowers. And I don't see any other fruit developing. There's only 2 fruits out of this entire plant, at least right now. All right, time to show you the tomatoes. There's some tomatoes right there. There's 2 tomato plants in this thing, but they're buried inside of all of this mess. So there's a tomato plant in the middle right here, and there's also a watermelon plant crawling around it. So that's what's happening with that. So you see the tomatoes there, and more tomatoes. And there's a tomato plant right there, more tomatoes. So that's a tomato plant right here in the middle. But yeah, this thing will need to get pruned because this is ridiculous. This is ridiculous, guys. Ridiculous. There's some flowers right there, tomato flowers, fruits. Yeah. But yeah, this is and this is just a mess right here. There's another pepper plant. It's a really tall one. This is a green bell pepper. Has not fruited yet, but it will soon fruit, probably. So yeah, that's what this mess is. There's also there's more. Not done yet. One more thing I have. This right here is a black raspberry bush. When I say bush, I mean vine because it's a vine now. Started down there in March and just kept going. And now it's August, and it's up to here. It's already had a prune, and it's growing ridiculous. Look, it's already like 10 feet long. And the vines intertwining around this fence. And we'll get a really big crop of raspberries next year when it flowers. So yeah, guys, that's the tour of the fruit and vegetables. And yeah, I'll do more individual plants soon.